The Game Factory. This family game is about logistics. 6 workers are responsible for loading pallets of boxes in a game factory. Theo and Tom are friends, as are Kaya and Kim, and Alex and Ada. Players can take on the role of a single worker or a pair, so the game can be enjoyed by 2 to 6 players. Each worker has a shelf on which, at the start of the working day, 10 pallets are stored, each containing a certain number of boxes of either board games, stuffed animals, toys, or construction kits. Workers take place with their storage shelves around the event panel, friends facing each other, and they take turns in turning the arrow. When a general delivery truck is selected, a 12-sided die is rolled to determine how many boxes it should load. The player must then select one of their own cards, any type of product, and combine it with one or more cards on the board to add up to the amount shown, but only the pallets at the front of the shelf can be selected. The cards are then removed from the game. The aim is for both friends to empty their shelves and call it a day. If there is no combination of the worker's and his partner boxes, the worker must find a combination using the cards of one or more of the opponents. If the arrow lands on a special delivery truck, the 20-sided die is rolled, and only the cards with the corresponding type or types of goods can be selected, regardless of their number. Again, it may be necessary to select an opponent's card. The arrow can land in the smartphone sector, where a turn is lost, in the boss sector, where an extra pallet must be added to the shelf, in the trailer sector, where you can add an extra box to a general delivery, or in the colleague sector, where you can swap a pallet with another worker. Like all family games, the Game Factory combines elements of luck and strategy, as the cards have to be cleverly placed on the shelf, and the choice of which card to select plays an important role. Let's call it a day.